New Year's resolutions for 2025 was to, in fact, stop spending money on clothes or just on useless things. You may be asking, if you're watching this video, did she fail? And the answer is maybe, because you are watching a what I bought in January video. Basically means that I may have failed, but I did set out to do 10, maybe 12 new clothing items for the year. And so far, I think I've only done 3. To me, a win is a win. I did want to share a couple other things that I have bought in the month of January. I am trying to be more conscious about my money habits, but I always think that it's fun to see what people bought in January. If this is the first video that you are watching of mine, hi, welcome to the channel. My name is Kiana. I film a lot of vlogs, lifestyle content, things that I bought videos, monthly favorites. I love old school YouTube, so I'm trying to bring it back in 2025. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see this year. I think this is the first video that I am filming in 2025, which is kind of crazy. Definitely did get a slow start to the year, but you know what? We are here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what kind of content you guys want to see in 2025. And let's get on with what I bought for the month of January. Now, none of these things are really in any particular order. I'm just kind of grabbing things as I go. My sister went on a business trip to California, and it just so happened to be around the time when all of these things were being sold at Target, and it was just perfect timing. Sometimes Targets in Buffalo are hit or miss. This one just so happened to be the last one of this item in my size, in the color I wanted. So obviously I told her to snatch it up, and it's the Blogilates romper. I think this is like so delicate. I clearly have not worn it yet because it still has the tags, mostly because as I'm filming this video, it's literally snowing. There is just no chance that I'm going to wear this romper. I got it in the size small. I would say it fits pretty true to size. What I love about it though is it has adjustable straps. It looks like something that you would wear out to like an event, but it's that spandexy workout material. It holds everything in place, and it also has built-in shorts in the bottom, but because it's obviously an athletic brand, these shorts have pockets. I will have to say it is pretty short. I'm already short, so if I find this kind of short, you might too. I don't think I'd actually work out in this. Like maybe I'd take a hike, but I definitely wouldn't do like a Pilates class or like a really intense workout in this. I just don't think it's made for that. This is the ballerina dress in jet black, and I got the size small, and it was $40. I think it is adorable. I'll definitely be wearing this when the weather is not awful. Moving right along to the other thing that my sister got me from Target. It is the Poppy hoodie, and I know that a bunch of influencers were getting gifted this, and when I saw it I was like, I need that. And then I saw a TikTok of some girl who found it at Target right before my sister went to California, and I told her, go and hunt for this. I did originally want the matching sweatpants, but when my sister called me, the sweatpants were just not my vibe, so I just got the hoodie, and this is my most worn hoodie. I will have to say that the fleece lining does shed just the tiniest bit. You do have to continuously wash it. If that's a problem for you, I would say to wash it before you wear it. Unpopular opinion, maybe. I don't actually wash any of the new things that I get. I just put them right on my body, which is probably disgusting to a lot of people. I don't really care. If that's an issue for you, the pilling, the lint you may get if you don't wash it first, put it in the wash. And then on the back, it says, wanna get juicy, Poppy. I think it's so cute. It is a really weird saying, I will have to say, and my mother was confused on the saying, and I'm a little confused too, I'm not gonna lie, but the graphic of it, the way the colors are so 80s, I just like love it, and it has become my absolute favorite sweater. It's my current favorite hoodie, and that says a lot. Moving right along to something a little bit random, body scrub. This is the Bare Botanics Sea Salt Body Scrub in the unscented scent. I got this on Amazon. Wanted to just get one that was unscented. I know that the Tree Hut ones are so popular. What's great is I can actually pronounce what's inside it. Like there's sea salt, aloe vera, leaf juice, avocado oil, coconut oil, shea butter. But I think they're a Canadian business, and if the US has taught us anything this week, it is to shop local if you're Canadian. But it also comes with this tiny little spoon that's just like so fun. I don't know if I'm the only one who used to do this as a kid, but I definitely mixed all the shampoos in my shower to to make a potion, and this just kind of gives the same energy. Every now and then I end up on hair TikTok. I become the ploy for hair TikTok because tell me why I ordered a French pin. Do I know how to put my hair in a French pin? No. Did I watch tutorials over and over again to figure out how to put my hair in a French pin? Abso-freaking-lutely. Have I mastered the French pin? No. This thing looks really easy to use. Like, you just plop it in your hair. I don't know what the science is behind trying to pin your hair up with one of these. They make it look so easy on TikTok, like just put your hair up, obviously. Now, I need someone to guide my hands in order to do this, but I feel like in my delusional head, if I am able to master the French pin, I will just be so unstoppable. I love the idea of a French pin. The reason why I ended up on French pin TikTok was because I wanted to try the flat hair clips, hair claws, because when I'm doing Pilates, it is very difficult to lay my head down. The more times I do it, the more my brain will remember how to do it. My goal by the end of the year is to master the French pin, but I do have the one from Kitsch because it's the one from Amazon and it had the fastest shipping time. This next item I really didn't need. I saw it on a TikTok as the trend is, and I bought it. That is this purse from Uniqlo. Now, did I need this purse? No. I don't even remember what this purse is called, and you're probably thinking like, what is so special about this purse? Absolutely nothing. One of my goals in life is to get the YSL bucket bag. I don't really feel like at this point in my life I should be spending that kind of money on the YSL bucket bag. So this is the closest we're getting. It is this rich mocha brown color. Clearly I'm loving this color. When I tell you that this is probably one of the best made bags that I currently own that isn't like a designer purse, I cannot even begin to explain. First of all, it has gold hardware, so it has a single gold buckle for the strap, and the strap is adjustable. Inside there's a single gold like magnetic closure clasp. There is one huge pocket in the back, and then there's two on the front sides. I'm a girl who loves to just throw shit in my purse. This is just the purse for it. I think my favorite part about the purse is the strap, solely because obviously it's adjustable. If it's on the shortest setting, Uniqlo was so smart to design the bottom to hook onto the rest, so it kind of just feeds through these little loops. It just stays there. I think that is so genius, especially for a short girl who needs that kind of feature. This purse is it. The theme of this video is very much things I bought that I really don't need. The way I justify it is that I continuously tell myself that it's investment pieces. What is the next thing, you may ask? Jewelry. I decided to get Jenny Bird gold hoops just because I need gold hoops. They have quickly become something that I've worn ever since I got them. They are smaller than I thought. I want to say that they're a 12mm solid gold, so you can shower with them. I've slept in them, I've showered in them, and it's perfectly fine. Make no mistake, it was very expensive, especially for them being so tiny, but I love them. It was probably one of the most expensive things I think I've ever bought. I will have to say, the way I justified it was that it was on sale. I was originally going to spend the money to buy a different jacket full price, because if you live in Canada, you know how important your winter jacket is. I have a good range of winter jackets, but they are all too short. And I wanted one that was like literally a sleeping bag. That was my only criteria. I wanted it to be as long as possible, but I got a TNA parka. And I think it's the best thing I bought this winter season because it is so long. I'm 5 foot. Really, everything is just a little bit longer on me. If I'm wearing this jacket, I can't feel anything. It is truly amazing. It does make it very difficult to climb into my car. To each their own. I feel like that's a very small price to pay. I want to say is called the powder dry parka. This jacket is so built for Canadian winters. It's actually insane. To put it into perspective, I actually looked at a couple other jackets. I looked at a North Face jacket. I looked at the Super Puff. I looked at the Lululemon one. And this is the one I ended up with. So I have been doing research on a parka for winter for months. So when I tell you this one is it, it is it. I don't know if it's still on sale. If it is, I'll try to link it down below, but to me it's worth it. I just know that it's gonna last me for so many years to come, because that is what I need to survive a Canadian winter. And the absolute last thing that I bought in January was a Hatch alarm clock. This has been on my Christmas wish list for years now, and nobody has gotten it for me. I decided, you know what, I'm gonna do it for myself. I have been having horrible sleeps for weeks. I don't think I've gotten a good night's sleep since 2024. If you have ever gone through a period in your life where truly you cannot sleep, it's not to the point where you can't go to sleep. My problem is staying asleep. I don't know if it's true, but I equated it to my smartwatch. I no longer wear my smartwatch unless it is to actually calculate how many calories I'm burning while I'm in a workout class. I try not to wear my smartwatch. I don't use it to track my sleep anymore. I don't really use it to track my steps anymore unless I'm intentionally going for a walk or walking on my treadmill. The number one thing is I don't use it as an alarm anymore. I used to use it all the time, but it would jolt me out of my sleep to the point where I think it was making me really anxious. In the end, I decided on the Hatch alarm clock. I love this thing. The price point of this is steep for an alarm clock. I'm not gonna lie. It's over $200. I do love that sunrise feature because I find that it wakes me up more naturally. In the winter, sunlight is very, very rare. So having this kind of alarm clock that wakes you up to the sun is absolutely vital. Ever since I started using this, no word of a lie, I have been waking up not feeling as anxious. That was something that happened a lot when I had my smartwatch waking me up. Is it necessary? No, but I do love Heather my Hatch. And that is everything that I bought in January. Let me know if you made a big purchase in January, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, let me know what kind of videos you want to see in 2025, and I will see you guys next week for another new video. Bye!